guys, here is the HE351, and after lots of very careful beating, pecking, and prying, I have finally got the turbine housing loose. There it is. There's the turbine housing. Next step is to get the compressor housing off. That requires getting this massive snap ring loose. It's gonna be lovely. And no, I'm not worried about beating up the turbine wheel. It's getting replaced with a whole new turbine housing and turbine wheel that's bigger. So I'm not really worried about beating it up. It'll be just decoration most likely anyways. I don't have proper snap ring pliers for this, so these have got to do. Ooh, I don't even know if that loose. Alright guys, so this snap ring in here that holds the compressor housing on, that is common with HE341s and HE351s, also HX35s and HX40s, but the HX35s and HX40s actually have tabs that you can get a pair of channel locks on or something like that, and usually get them open. This one is like a regular snap ring. It's smooth, it only has holes. So, along with massive pair of needle nose pliers, a pick, and a screwdriver, I finally got it loose. What I had to do was, let's see if I can do this, was get one of the, did I just knock that in there? I did. But I had to get one of the ends of the needle nose pliers and pry on it, and I was able to actually free it up. I don't know if I can record this or not. Having some technical difficulties. Easy. It is very apparent I do not have the proper tools for this. A legitimate large pair of snap ring pliers would definitely make this a breeze compared to how I'm having to go about it. I hate you. I'm so close to getting it out, but I'm scared to accidentally knock it back into its slot, so that I am unable to accidentally knock it back into place. I threaded a piece of paracord through one of the holes, so that way in the event that I accidentally snap it back down in, it's a lot easier to get it back out. Now it's not really helping me get it completely free from the turbo, but it's something, I guess. There it is, guys. I have the bearing housing, what some people call the center cartridge. I have it all separated and soaking in degreaser. So I'll update you soon on getting the rest of it apart and rebuilding the turbo itself. Alright guys, on whole set turbos, a lot of the Cummins guys knows this, there is a turbo silencer ring in here. It's just like a little metal ring that is inserted to help suppress the turbo whine. Here, and let's see, show you. There's the snap ring, and of course there is one side, this side right here specifically, that is actually shaped a little bit easier to get a hold of because its lip protrudes out instead of in. Get it in there, you have to have both hands, but you'll twist it this way and it pops it right out. Give me just a second. There we go. And get in behind it, twist. Terrible cameraman. Dang it. Oh, I gotta knocked it back down in there. Hang on. Alright, better idea. I'm gonna leave the screwdriver in there and behind it, and I'm gonna take this pick and use it to pry it out. There we go. There it is. Take this, throw it away. Unless you want your turbo quiet. And there it is. Nope. Oh, I gotta knock it back down in there. Hang on. Oh, it is rusted and seized in there. Did I just knock that in there? I did. Jeez. It's so close. I hate you. Why do you have to be so difficult?
Hey guys, just a friendly reminder, make sure to check out www.torqueracingproduction.com. We have all kinds of car related gifts, man cave items, merch, you name it, check it out. And also don't forget to swing by our Facebook page so that way you can stay up to date on all the latest builds and of course our dark humor car memes.